This document is a falsified document, falsified by the plaintiff's attorney. This document, along with an emergency custody motion, was basically all that was needed to take my children from me, two of my children. So before the plaintiff's attorney falsified this document, I don't think she did her research, because if she would have known that Madison County does not have domestic relations court. The courts in Madison County pertaining to children are juvenile and probate. If I would have agreed to give up my parental rights to my two daughters after almost 2.5 years of the plaintiff's absence, the plaintiff's attorney would not have had to falsify this document. So not only is this document falsified, claiming parental rights that the plaintiff does not have, it was also signed with a dead attorney's bar number. Right there. So this is the correct heading for court documents in Madison County pertaining to children. And here's another one. And for whatever reason, that is not enough to convince people that this document is falsified. There's the confirmation of the deceased attorney's bar number. I went to Madison County for whatever reason, just to double check, and lo and behold, there is no case between Logan Walker and Mariah Davidson in Madison County. My daughters were not taken by Children's Services. I have confirmation of that. However, Children's Services was called, and I allowed them to come to my house and speak to my other children. Children's Services felt no need to get in the middle of this and quickly left us alone. So, due to the fact that I was an unmarried female at the time that I gave birth to my daughters, that would make me the sole custodial parent and residential parent. My rights would have to be terminated in order for somebody else to obtain my rights. So my daughters were taken by the courts, not Children's Services, with this falsified document. And as of this moment, the plaintiff has yet to terminate my parental rights. And God is good. Justice will prevail, and all the morally upright will be vindicated. The sucky thing is I have attempted to get my daughters back, but the courts will not stop. And they continue to hold my daughters from me. Falsification is illegal, and you cannot falsify documents claiming that someone has parental rights to a child that they don't. So I will do whatever I have to get my story out, to continue to share this. If it takes until the day that I die, I will never stop fighting for my daughters. I've been harassed since I left the municipal court after being set up there. Just harassing phone calls and text messages. It's crazy that the courts have gone to this extreme. to try and terminate my parental rights. But like I said, the courts are not God, and God has the last say in everything. And justice will prevail.